Hello, today we will understand how you can access to free learning pathway curated by digital marketing experts for modules like SEO, SEM, Introduction to Digital Marketing and lot more. So let's take example. If you have landed on our homepage, which is basecampdigital.co, then in that case you would have to go to another option, which is learning pathway. So this is the screen which you can see. You simply have to click over here, which is learning pathway. Once you click on learning pathway, you get access to all the content which is listed, but for security reason you'll have to register to it, and so that in future you can get access to all the content at single login. Registration process is very simple. You can see a button over here. You can simply go on register now and click on this button. Once you click on this button, it would take you to a page where if you are an existing user you would have to log in, but since we are using it for the first time as a registration process, we would have to add our email ID. So let's take example. I would add my email ID, which is dharmendra.works121@gmail.com. Once you do that, then you would have to click on register, and here once you click on register, it would take you to a page and it will tell you thank you, and if you want to log into this page, you would have to go and confirm your email address. So let's go. After clicking on register now, and once you submitted your email ID, you would get an email which would have ID and password. So now as you can see, your registration have been successfully completed, and now you can click on this link and access your account easily. So let's click on this link, and here it is. Now you are taken to the same page, but now since you have already generated your ID and password, you would be able to access all the free content. So let me just click on this. So my user ID is dharmendrawork121, and I have added that, and password you can simply copy and paste it here. You can change this password later on as well, and I have logged into the learning pathway. Now as of now, since I have not completed any course, it is looking at 0, but you can once you start completing the course, you start learning, you would see a lot of courses which is over here, and here you can see dashboard which you have access to, orders and other stuff. So from here you just have to simply go to learn, and you have entered in the page, and now if you want to learn anything, you can simply have to click on start learning. Let's take example, you want to learn display terminology learning pathway. You have to simply click on start learning, and then you would be taken to the page. This course is completely free for you, so you just simply have to click on enroll now, and since you have already logged in, you would be directly taken to a page where you can access the content, and you'll simply have to scroll down, and once you click on what are display ads, you are directly taken to the learning pathway, and here you can see all the list of content which is there are easily accessible to you. So this was all about learning pathway. If you have any query, do let us know.